After customizing your sidebar and workspace, you'll want to save everything so you don't have to rebuild it from scratch. Let me show you how to save your workspace. Go up to the top right and click on Setup. In the drop-down menu, you'll see Save Workspace As. Go ahead and click that. A dialog box will pop up asking you to name your workspace. You can call it whatever you want, something that makes sense to you. I'm going to call mine Sage Innovations Layout, but you might want to use something like My Trading Setup or Daily Workspace, whatever works for you. Once you've named it, click Save. Now your workspace is saved, and you can load it anytime from that same setup menu. You'll see it listed under your available workspaces. You can also delete any old layouts that you don't want anymore from that same setup menu. Just make sure you aren't deleting anything that you want to use again. You'll notice there's a workspace called Street Smart Edge. That's a system workspace. It will be put back if you delete it, so just leave that one alone. Keep in mind, saving the workspace will save all screens that are open at the time of saving, so this is a useful way to reload all your screens at once.